Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Pocket Broker app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Broker application on your smartphone, and once you see the registration button, you can tap on it in order to create your new account. Now just enter your email address within the email address box, followed by your desired password underneath. If you have a promo code, you can enter this underneath the password as well. And now click on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions. Now tap on registration once again, and this will begin the process of creating your account. You will now need to visit your profile in order to verify your email address. Tap on the resend button if you don't get a verification email, and now you should see the verify email button within your inbox. When you tap on this, your account will now be verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Pocket Broker app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.